Hello, people. Yes, morning, morning. Hehe. Hey. So, yep, this is the first day of the seminar. Okay, wait for me first. So, okay, hopefully you're getting ready. Ta-dan. Okay, smooth. Okay, I think we can start already. Yes. By the way, this seminar here has the recording. Okay, don't worry. You can watch back. Okay, this one has recording. Okay, so you can see here, okay, today's seminar, right, we are going for this chapter. As you can see your notes, okay, we're going for the chapter 1, okay, Form 5 chapter 1, the circle, okay. So before I start the exercise, right, let's recall back the formula first. There's a lot of formula here for this chapter, right? Okay, so the first thing you can see here, circular measure, the circle. So the first thing I have to recall back is the name of the part of the circle, lor. The name of the part of the circle. So you can see the circle here, the whole thing called as the arc, or you can call it the circumference. And then this line here from the center, we call it the radius. This line, okay, joining the two radius, you can see, right? This one called as a chord, okay? And the one that shaded here, right? This is your segment. Okay, so of course got a lot, okay? Got some more. Okay, next one. This part here will be called as this whole part here. Looks like a piece of pizza, right? Okay, looks like pizza, right? So this one we call as a sector. Looks like pizza. This one we call as a sector. Okay, so of course here the sector sometimes, right, in the exercise you will see that sometimes they mention about the minor or major sector. So what I mean by minor and major is like for this part is pizza here, small piece of pizza, only one piece, right? So I call as the minor. Yeah. So which means the rest of the part here, this one at the back, looks like the Pac-Man. The one Pac-Man we call as the major. Okay, big and small, okay, major and minor. These two should be okay. So of course, for the segment, you have the similar name also. The small pieces here, the roti for your pizza, right? This one I call as a minor segment. Minor segment, the small one. Yeah, we have the major one also. The major one is look like this big, the major one. Very big, very big. Sure. Yeah, this whole part called as the major segment. Okay, so you should know the name already for the part of the circle. This one not a big issue for you, should be okay. So first part, done already, okay, about the name. Next will be the formula. Quick. So you have total four formula to recall back, okay? So the first one here is about the angle, degree and radian, okay? So for degree, as you know, the symbol here looks like you have the circle on top of the number, and radian here you will have the short form rad beside the number. So the formula will be from degree to radian, you have to times pi over 180 degree. Okay, that's a formula to convert the degree to the radian. But of course, this pi, right, it depends on your question of this pi. Yeah, if given you the pi, what, 3.142, 2207, you can go ahead and use it. But if not, right, you can just press it with your calculator. Yes. Okay. So try not to use the what 3.142 if the question not stated. Okay, clear. Okay. The first part should be okay for you. And then continue. Radian. Convert back to degree. Terbalik. Your formula also terbalik. Yeah. Times 180 over pi. Okay, so good. This is not a big issue, okay? Very simple one. First formula done. And this formula exam not given to you. Need to memorize. Okay, second one. Okay. Arc length formula. Or you can understand this as a formula to replace your circumference. To replace your circumference. So yes, for your circumference formula, as you remember, when do we learn this already? Like form 1, form 2, right? Okay, this I'm not sure. So you're using 2 pi r times the angle over 360. correct? So now, how do they convert this to the arc length formulas like this? I show you the way to convert, to convert. Okay, to convert this will be, the working will be like this, 2 pi r times theta over 2 pi. Now can see some weird thing here. This one, 360 become 2 pi. The reason because of the formula for the arc length, they are using the radian for the angle. That is why 360 degree is equals to 2 pi radian. They just convert the 360 to 2 pi and then simplify. Kasih cut. You left only r and theta, right? Yeah, that is the formula for your arc length. Okay, get the idea on how to get the formula? Yeah. So you have to do I need to say like memorize, because the exam also might ask you to prove the formula. Yeah, in exam. So you have to know how to prove from the circumference formula, prove to the arc length formula. Okay, continue. So from the formula here, S stands for arc length. Okay, radius, the R as usual. And this theta, right, will be your angle in radian. Okay, so there's a reason why this one, 360 to convert to the radian, and then yes, you will already have the formula. Good. Okay, this is a arc length formula. Okay, next. Move on next. Area of the sector. So this is one that I mentioned here. This is the one to find the area for the piece of pizza. A piece of pizza here. So for the formula, yeah, you also learned that last time. Form 2. The formula is the pi r square, right? Pi r square times theta over 360. Yes. So also, I will show you how do they get to the area of sector formula for this chapter. Same thing also. Same thing also. How did they convert sama? These 360. Same also. Equals to 2 pi radian. So you get about pi r square times theta. Theta over 2 pi. 2 pi kasih cut. Okay, you can see that. So it left the r square, 2, and the theta, right? So the 2, as you know that the 2 is 1 over 2 actually. On top is 1 ma. So it's 1 over 2 r square theta. 1 over 2 r square theta. That's the way they get the formula for the area. Yeah, okay, that's a way to get the formula. So everything same. The A stands for area, R stands for radius. The theta here also stands for the angle in radian. Yes. So Aga, I know idea. How do they get these two formula? And repeat again, these two formula, right? They might ask you to prove. So you have to know how to prove. And this one very simple one. In exam, maybe about 2 marks. Not really a lot. But at least you know, okay? You secure the 2 marks. Okay, satu lagi last. Last formula is the segment formula. Segment formula. This is the formula. Okay. Okay, so segment formula, right? You can understand this way. If I expand the bracket, okay, I get these two, right? Okay, so I explain to you. Okay, so now we have to recall back the segment, the shape first. So for the segment shape, it looks like this. The roti for the pizza, right? This is the pizza. This is a roti. So how do they find the segment? The roti for the pizza will be equals to using the pizza, the sector, minus the triangle to get the segment. So for this part, sector area, this formula, right? And your segment area, sorry, not segment, triangle area. This part, right? Maybe you were curious, like, why is it 1 over 2 r squared sine theta? It because follow back your chapter 9 formula, your form 4 chapter 9. Yeah, the area of the triangle formula. 1 over 2 AB sine C, this formula. So A and B, these two will be represent the radius. These two are the radius, which is here and here. Mm-hmm. And the sine C, right, will be the angle between the radius. This is the angle between the radius. That is why the formula here is r squared because radius same length times together must be power 2, right? And then the sine theta, theta will be the angle. But the sine theta, right, this theta must be in degree. Oh. Okay. This one is in degree. This one is in radian. Okay, Bole about this formula. So which means that this chapter not only circle, you have to be careful. You have to be careful for one more shape is a triangle. Yeah, sometimes you get a triangle shape here. And for triangle, right, you can always use the chapter 9 formula. Always, as in, this is the area, correct? You have two more formula, right? The other two is the what? Sine rule and cosine rule. Sine rule and last one is the cosine rule. My writing a bit messy, but you can understand the word here. Yeah, can always go for the chapter 9 formula whenever you face any triangle shape. Yes. Okay. So I think, yeah, this is so far the formula that you have to know for this chapter 1. Is it okay first before I move on to the exercise? Is there any issue so far? No issue? If no, then we can start already. Hopefully it's still okay. Huh? You got no hard copy, GG. uh, it got the PDF to download, ma. You can download the PDF, Is it? Got the PDF to download? You put the other. Yeah, I think you can look for the PDF file. It's also in the website. You can search from the website. There's 3 buttons there, right? I know hard copy is easier to write. I know. But hee hee. But maybe you can write on a piece of paper first. Yeah. Okay, let's go, lor. We can start it. Okay, let me get to the notes first. Don't worry, the formula I put beside later. We can see the formula while we're doing the exercise. Okay, ini. Okay. So today mainly is chapter 1 now, okay? Today mainly is chapter 1. But if possible, extra time, right? We can go for the chapter 2 also, differentiation, but not the whole chapter. I only go for one part. Later, you know which part later. Because I I scared that your exam come out for that part that I mentioned there. Okay. So let's go. Okay, we go for this today. The formula too small. Let me 2, 7, 9, 14, 15. Okay, I put inside chat here. Okay, let's go. Number 2 first. Here. Ooh. Okay, so in exam, this chapter, right, it might be in paper 1 or 2. Okay, paper 1 or 2 depends. So uh I cannot guarantee which paper to come out. This one I cannot guarantee because yeah, it can be random. But of course, the marks here be different. Paper 1 and paper 2 marks. Yeah, if come out in paper 2 will be more marks than paper 1. Yeah, okay, depends. So for number two here, this one total is 10 marks. If this one come out, it will be in the paper two. Hmm. Okay, so let's go lor. Quick. Diagram shows a sector OPQ of a circle with center O, radius x cm, angle POQ is 0.8 radian. The point S lies on OQ such that OS is 5, and point R lies on OP such that angle ORS is a right angle. This sentence, I think no any important info. Everything inside the picture already. Okay, so we can see the picture here. There's only one circle, right? Sector OPQ. So let you see, this is only part of the sector. It's a pizza. If you go for a whole piece, right, it actually looks this big. If you go a whole piece here, yeah, this is only part of the sector, part of the circle. One piece of pizza only. So you can see the whole piece, okay? The whole pizza, you can see. Okay, so bottom here. Given the area of the triangle, ORS is 1/5 of the area of OPQ. 1/5 means 1 over 5. Yeah, ORS is 1 over 5 of OPQ. So I'm not sure you know or not. Which one big or small? ORS is only 1 over 5 of OPQ. So yang ini small, yang ini besar. Okay, this is the info given to you. Okay, so area ORS is 1 over 5 of area OPQ. Good. Okay, so this is the info given to you. Then no other things ready. No other things ready. Okay, we can start A. Find the area of sector OPQ in terms of X. Okay, first thing you have to find. Second, show that X value is 8.837. Second thing, correct to four significant figures. Okay, need to find two. First one is to find the sector area. Second is to find the X. Okay, let's go. Oh, this one 5 marks. Wow. Okay, OPQ area first. So OPQ. Yeah, we have one info that relate to OPQ just now. Yeah, this one. 1 over 5. Okay, can see. Yes. So we're going for this info to find the answer. So to find the OPQ, okay, we can use the ORS area and then bring the 5 over times. Which means to find the area OPQ is equals to 5 times area ORS. Yeah, let's find the area ORS, then we can times 5. Shatter. Easy, 5 marks. Area ORS, mana you okay. ORS is a triangle. Good. This part is the triangle. And it is a 90-degree triangle. So this area we can go for triangle area. I think I didn't write here, right? Yeah, I didn't write here. Because this is a triangle. 1 over 2 times base and height. Good. So base and height are these two lor. Base and height. Okay, can see. So need to find these two lengths. Let's go. Easy 5 marks. Okay, so let's start from the which one first? Okay, I'll start from the base first. Okay, the base. So base of the triangle here, we have like the 5 cm. I'm not sure you know what to call this or not. I mean, like remember how to call this or not. Hypotenuse, the longest line for your triangle. So then continue. We have the opposite, adjacent. This is the hypotenuse, right? Yeah, I think I did right here also. The way we're going to find the base and height using Sokatua. Yeah, can go for Sokatua. Good. Wow, long time no see the formula already. Sokatua. Oh, yes. Okay. First thing first, before we apply the Sokatua, because the sine, cos, tangent, these three, right, Sokatua, we have to use the degree. Degree. Okay, not the radian. So if to convert the 0.8 radian back to degree first. Okay, you can see the formula. Okay, so 0.8 radian times 180 over pi. The pi question I will give you good. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, my calculator. Okay, never mind. I need to use my calculator first. I forgot my calculator. Okay, so 0.8 times 180 over pi. 45.84. 836. Can. You can write more decimal. I will stick to four significant figure. Okay, good. Okay, so now we can apply the Sokatua. So we already have the angle here. So now the next thing will be you have to find base and height, right? Both. Yeah. Actually, you can see if we are finding the height first, we go for saw because O here, H here. If you go for the base first, you have to go for cos. We have A and H here. Depends on the sequence which one I find first, because the answer all same. Okay, I will go for the saw first, finding height. So sine 45.84 degree equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, we can find the SR already. Bring the 5 over. 5 times sine 45.84. Okay, okay. 3.586, 587. This is SR, which is the height. Okay, this one. One more to go. Base. Base, we go for R, right, just now. 45.84 AH. Okay, also bring a 5 over. 5 times cos 45.84. 3.483. Okay, so we can find the area. Last part, area. Area OPQ equals to 5 times, okay, 1 over 2 times base and height. Oh, yeah. So 1 over 2 times, we can press the whole thing. 5 times 1 over 2 times 3.483 and 3.587. 31.23. The answer here never show the answer for area. Yeah, the bottom answer never show that, but it's okay. We know that the answer is 31.23. This is what our cm, right? Square. First part, settled idea. 31.23, the area. Done already, oh. One more to go. X value. So how do we find the x value here is very simple. Just now in front here, they mentioned about the sector OPQ, right? Okay, this one no issue. And do you see this word here? Actually, we not really care about this word sometimes. Hence, eh, it means that you can use back your previous answer to continue. Can use your previous answer to continue, which is 31.23 the OPQ. And some more the OPQ, right? Sector ma. Do you see that? Where's your X? Ta-da! The radius of OPQ. Yes. That's why this is the word. Hence, use the previous answer. The previous answer is the area OPQ. Yeah. We go for the area OPQ, the sector area, the pizza, to get back the X. He, he, he. Okay, so for the formula, sector area yang ini. Okay, we got everything already. We got everything already. We have the, what do you call this? Radius, which is the X. Theta, the angle, 0.8 radian. Yes, just sub in. You can find the X already. Or chore. So 1 over 2 r squared. Radius is X. We are finding now. Theta is 0.8 radian equals to 31.23. Okay, so bring over. Find the X. 31.23 divide 1 over 2 divide 0.8. Yeah. So you get 78.075. So last one is a square root. 78.075. Okay, okay. But the answer a bit off though. I got 8.836. Answer here shows 8.837. Never mind, we follow. We follow. Yeah, as long as the answer close it, yeah, close to the 8.837. Right, the word shown, settle. Can. No issue one. Boleh. I think because of the area OPQ, we should go for the more decimal actually. Okay, never mind. Next time we put 4 decimal. I mean 4 significant figure. This is already 4. Okay, never mind. Next one is we should put more decimal. Okay, settle already. 5 marks. Got a lot of working here. Sure. Let's go for B now. Okay, next B, 3 marks only. Perimeter of PQRS. Mana itu PQRS? Oh, here. This part, PQRS. Okay, perimeter, you have to plus. Need to plus all the 4 sides, okay? So we have to find basically everything. Oh, no need to find the SR. We already have the length of SR. Yeah, right here. Perimeter. SR plus RP plus SQ and also PQ. PQ is an arc. Okay, so SR to the other. SR this one is 3.587. Okay, next one we can find the RP first. Yeah, followed by RP. RP is over here. And yeah, the OP is X, right? OP is X. So we can just minus the OR to get RP. Yeah, we already found the answer for OR. Good. So RP X is 8.837 minus OR 3.483. 8.837, 3.483, 5.354. Okay, good too. So the first two done already. Done, done. Okay, followed by SQ. SQ, sama-sama lah. SQ put the same. Hey, SQ over here. From O to Q, right, is actually also radius, the X. Okay, also radius, the X. So yeah, the 8.837 minus the OS, the 5. Okay, easy. Let's go. The first three, okay, one. SQ equals to 8.837 minus 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, settle. Last one, PQ. Okay. Last one, the PQ here is the arc, right? So we go for the formula loop. Mana the formula here ni? Sini. Okay, for the PQ, for PQ, this one for the PQ. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Okay, no space. Last one. Arc PQ, radius as usual. X again. Theta also same place, 0.8. Yes, easy. Radius is 8.837 and followed by theta 0.8 radian. So find the answer for this and then later we plus all these four answer. Yeah. 8.837 times 0.8. Okay. Okay, now all these four answer plus. Satu, dua, tiga, empat. Yeah, all these plus together. Okay. 3.587, 5.354, and followed by 3.837, last one, 7.0696. 19. Is it 19? Correct. Yes. 8476. Oh, 3 marks. Okay lah. This one worth it. Hmm. Dun, dun, dun. Last one only 2 marks. Okay lah. Better than nothing. Okay, good Hey, last one the C. Area. PQRS again. Da-da-dun. Same part, same part. Okay, this part here again. So for the PQR, so you can see that this part we cannot call it as a sector, right? It's not the roti also for the pizza. No, there's no name for this shape here. So to find the area, we have to minus big minus small. Okay, big minus small. We go for the whole sector, whole piece of pizza, minus of the left-hand side triangle and shatter. Yeah, again, this is not a segment. This is not a roti. You never see this big roti before, right? For a piece of pizza. Yeah, never see that. That's why, yeah, we go for minus, big minus small. POQ minus the triangle ORS. Let's go. Okay, the working I write on top first. OPQ minus the triangle ORS. So for the sector area, yes, we have the formula already. Triangle area, we still go for the same 1/2 base times height. Yes. Let's go. Sector, I think we got everything already. Yes, we got the radius. We got theta. Yeah, we got everything for radius. I mean the sector. Let's go low. 1 over 2 radius is the x, right? 8.837. Theta is 0.8 radian. Minus the triangle. 1 over 2 base and height. We already found the answer already. The base and height. Mana itu here. Base times height. So just come from here. This part come from here. Yes. That's minus 1 over 2. 8.837 square and 0.8. Okay. Eh? Oh yeah, I just got the answer already. Okay, never mind, continue. Minus the triangle. 1 over 2, 3.483 and 3.587. 24.99. Yeah. Yes, done. Oh, happy, happy. Done. Okay, so okay, the first one, 10 marks. This is for like paper two. Paper two type of the question. Okay, brief in, brief out. We got 4 more to go. Easy, easy. Next one is number 7. Easy. Let's go. 7. I'm not sure about your notes there. Number 7 actually got color, but a bit hard to see. Because for your side is a black and white. That's why a bit hard to see here. Yeah, yeah, it's a biscuit. This one is a biscuit. A few pieces of biscuit here. Okay, let's go number 7. This one, 2 marks, 2 marks, 2 marks. This one most probably will be the paper 1 question. Yeah, most probably. Paper 1. Okay, so you see the diagram below shows a several piece of biscuit in the form of upright prism with a uniform cross-section. This word here, uniform cross-section, is a sector of a circle. Why I mentioned this, right? Because later on, you have one part is to find the volume. You can see bottom here, right? But I don't think you find volume of biscuit before, correct? That's why if you know the cross section is which shape, okay. Example, this one is the sector, right? So for this volume, you only need to use the cross section, cross section area times it with the height. Yeah, but yeah, because this shape I think you never see before. I mean the biscuit like this. Yes. That's why I have to know what is the cross-section shape first. Okay, for the volume later. Turn. Okay, continue. Hey, sorry. For a piece of biscuit here, it's found that the length of the arc is 4 cm. With the radius 7 cm. And the thickness of the prism is 0.5. Maybe you can try the label. Can label this one. Ini 4, ini 7 radius. These two are the same length, of course. It's a sector. And your thickness is 0.5. Yang ini 0.5. The thickness. Okay, boleh. Okay, this is the info. Can try label. Maybe you can draw out another sector to label. Okay, sector. We can start at A now. This one okay like this one. Not too hard. Find the angle of the biscuit theta in radian. Cassini. So follow back your number that you have, right? The only number that you are going to apply the formula is only one here, the 4 cm, the length of arc. There's no formula, right? Yeah, only this 4 cm has the formula. So the arc length formula in ini, this one, okay, sub in only. Arc length 4 equals to radius 7, theta in radian. You have to find the theta, can put in the unknown first, and bring over the 7 low. Divide, right? 4 divide 7 is yeah, 4 over 7. Hmm. 2 marks settle. Okay, next. The surface area of the biscuit. Okay, this one, right? A maybe the word here not really like emphasize which part to find because they says the surface area of the biscuit. So for me, I would think that the every single surface for me, I'm not sure about you. Yeah, for me, I'll think of every single surface of the biscuit, which means for this picture here, actually you have 5 surfaces. You got 5. Yeah, which is the sector got 2 sector, one on top, one at bottom. Okay, followed by 2 rectangle. Yeah, 2 same rectangle. And last one, also rectangle, but different size. Not sure you can see or not. Got 5 surface for this biscuit. Okay, the sector on top and bottom, 2 rectangle as I mentioned here. One here, one actually at the back. I draw here for you to see. One actually at the back, but it's hidden. Okay, this one is hidden. Okay, they are draw it correctly. This should be like this. Actually, this one is hidden. Can understand, right? Can imagine the picture, right? That's why I don't know why. This question bottom the answer only finding the part on top, only the sector on top. I don't know why because it says surface area of the biscuit. So for me, I would think the whole thing. Yeah. So I'm not sure for you guys. Do you think the whole thing also or only on top? Because the answer bottom only finding the answer on top. Just the top surface only. Yeah, meh. You only think the on top one, eh? Sure, bo. But never mind, okay, never mind. I follow back my thought here. I will go for every single surface. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, so start from the sector first. Sector, you have everything now. The theta just now is what idea? 4 over 7. Radius is 7, right? Yeah, we can find the area already using the area formula. Ini. Okay, then followed by the rectangle. The 2 rectangle here, length and the width given to you. Make it bigger a bit. You can see. The last one at the back here, right? At the back, this curve, this is also a rectangle. Also a rectangle, but it's a curved rectangle. It's a curved rectangle. So for this curved rectangle, the length followed by the arc length 4 and the width is 0.5. Yes. So let's find everything. Plus. Woohoo. Okay, start from the sector first. 1 over 2. I think this one is 7, right? Square theta in radian times 2 plus two rectangle and one more rectangle here. Yeah, everything. Okay, so 1 over 2 times 7 square and 4 over 7 times 2. So I get 28 plus 7 times 0.5 times 2. 7. Last one is 4 times 0.5, 2. 28 plus 7 plus 2, 37. The answer bottom just 14, right? Because they only find this part. They only find this part only. 1 over 2, 7 square, 4 over 7. Yeah. Mm. Shatter. 2 marks. Easy. Okay, one more to go. Okay, followed by C already. Last one. C is to find the volume of the piece of biscuit. So like I said, just on the cross section. Yeah, the cross section. So the cross section area, as the question mentioned, is the sector, right? So we go for the sector times the height. Over here, just on the sector. Hee. Sector times the height. Just now what's height already? 0.5. Yeah. So this sector area, we got the answer already. Oh. Sector, sini. Yeah, copy only. Sector. Okay. So 1 over 2 times 7 square. Oh, this one is 14, right? Yeah, 14. 7. Just CM, correct. Yes. Easy number 7. The answer is 7. So many 7. Okay, next one, followed by number 9. Okay, I still can follow. Not too hard, this one, not too hard. The working lesser also. Okay, let's go. Number 9. Got 3 more to go. If you cannot follow, let me know also. Yo. This one, 5 max. Okay, let's go. Number 9. This one also probably will be the paper one also because only 5 marks. Okay, number 9. Diagram shows a food company logo draft on of a circle ABC center at O. This is a logo of a food company. Okay, smart, delicious. Why? Not related also. Okay, nothing. We follow. Smart and delicious. Why? They got bottom here. Given the radius of the sector is 6, triangle ABC is an equilateral. Yeah. Radius of the sector. Okay. So you have the circle ABC here, can see, right? Hey, not why not the same one? Okay, never mind. You can see it's a circle. Center O, radius, these two same, 6. Mm. And then the ABC is an equilateral. So we can get one in extra info. Equilateral. All side 60 degree. All these 3 same. Here. Done. Okay. Any other info? Okay, no worry. First one, A. Show that area of the sector OAB L expressed as this. This is the one that I say, lor. You have to prove the formula. Yeah, need to prove the formula. Just like ini, sector area, right? This one. Just copy the same thing, but they are using J for the radius lah. You have to follow. Kasih J. Yeah. So area they're using L, you have to follow also. Yeah, you have to follow. Because the answer they're using L as the area, J as the radius. So you have to follow. Just change only. Just change only. Pi J squared times theta over 360. So pi J squared. 360 become 2 pi. Pi cut. So be 1 over 2 J squared theta. Shown. Easy 2 marks. So this one, like I said, they will ask you to show sometimes, but the marks not really a lot. 2 only. But better than nothing, right? Okay, one more to go. B lah, 3 marks. Oh, 3 marks. Okay. Hence, express the area of yellow region in terms of pi. I think pi and cert 3. Miss out the cert. You can add on for me here. Pi and cert 3. Area of the yellow region. But for your side is no yellow. Okay. So let's go. 3 marks, yellow region. Don't think too much, very easy one. You can see actually this yellow region is part of the circle. Not sure you can see or not. Delicious. This is a segment now. So actually the yellow region, right, the area you have to plus all these 3 segments together. Got total 3 segments. Maybe you think of the whole circle minus a triangle, right? Can. No issue. But of course, the segment more faster. Lah. And find only one segment, times 3. Easier, right? Segment. Yeah, this one. Okay, so first thing here, segment, right? You can see the formula. We need the radius. This one, no issue. Given to you, 6. Okay, this is the radius. 6. And next one is the theta. 2 theta here. One is radian, one is degree. And these 2 angles come from here. Yeah, you can see a theta, right? In the picture there. Need to find that first. So I'm not sure how you find the angle there. Actually, got different way to find. Yeah, got a lot of different way to find. But the fastest one, right, you can go for this way. Your form 3 circle. But I'm not sure remember or not. Form 3 circle. Long time no see. Do you see a rocket? Yeah, do you see a rocket there? Rocket. Long time no see, right? Long time no see. So the 60 and the theta, right? The relation is 2 times. Long time no see. Yeah, 2 times, times 2. Easy. So here's 60. Bottom here will be 120. Yeah. Need to recall back a bit. Form 3 circle. Okay, we got everything in here. 120 is the theta, but of course you have to find the radian format also. Yeah, for 120. Let's go. Follow the formula. 120 times pi over 180 can convert to the radian. The pi never give it, okay. The pi no give it to you. 2.094. Okay, so got everything now. Just submit to the formula. Segment here. Remember the times 3, I got 3. Got 3 yellow region. 1 over 2 r square theta radian minus sine theta degree and then times 3. Easy 3 marks. 1 over 2 times 6 square and then followed by 2.094 minus sine 120 times 3. 66.31. Apa itu ini cm. Dun, 3 marks easy. It just looks so difficult ni. Eh, oh shit. I forgot they want to make it in terms of pi and no. Sorry guys. Sorry. I forgot it wants the pi and the cert. Sorry. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Hiya. Yeah. Let's do it again. Okay, first one. 120, are you change to radian? Because of they want it in terms of pi and the cert, right? So when you're pressing this answer, you cannot press the pi here. 120 divide 180 only. The pi you have to keep. Hi. 2 over 3 pi. Okay, and then for your area here, the working is still the same lah. The working is still the same, but only one part you have to be careful. The sine 120. Okay, this one just sub in again. Everything as usual. Shame. Yeah. Okay, but then now, this sine 120. You also learned that in mathematics already. I think form 3, the sine cos tangent there. Sine 120 actually equals to sine 60. I'm not sure you know about the table or not. The sine cos tangent table. I'm not sure about this one. Maybe you still remember. You remember that sine 60 is equals to square root 3 over 2. Yeah, because they want to keep the cert form also. Hey, this one 3 marks high. Double it, this one. Okay, so 2 over 3 pi. Okay lah. So you have to manually expand because cannot press pi. Cannot press the square root 3 double it. Okay, let's key in one by one. These two can times also, and also with the 3 at the back. 1 over 2 times 6 square and 3. 54. Then followed by the 54 lor. Expand it to the bracket. 54 times 2 over 3. Okay, 36. 54 times square root 3 over 2. Square root 3 you have to keep, so it's 1 over 2 only. 54 times 1 over 2. Okay lah, finally. Hi, 3 marks. So I thought so easy one. Dun. Okay, Bole 3 marks, no choice. The question asking for in terms, pi and the cert. Okay, got 2 more, right? 14, 15, okay. Okay, good. So far, still can. Let's move on. 2 more, okay, 2 more. Tahan. Last two. Then you can go for lunch. Let's go for 14. Ding, 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 ding. Oh yeah, here. Apa ini ya? 4 mark, 1 mark, 2 marks ah. About total 7. This one most probably will be the paper 2 type of question. Paper 2. 7 marks, yeah. Paper 2. Wow, apa ini ya? Pentagon, okay. Let's see number 14. The graph shows a logo in a regular pentagon. Okay, long time no see. Regular pentagon. A, B, C, D, E, right? Inscribed in a circle of radius 5 with center O. Okay, let's see here. We have a circle, center O. This one should be the correct place. Still got to be off. Okay, yeah. Okay, agak like this. It's a circle, center O. Inside you have a regular pentagon. So regular pentagon, you will have a lot of info, of course. The length here all same for 5 sides. The angle inside also same, right? But the formula, let me recall back first. Formula to find the angle inside the pentagon is this one, correct? Yeah, the formula to find the angle inside the pentagon. We call it what? Interior angle, is it? Interior angle. So this n here, long time no see. This n here stand for the number of sides. Long time no see this formula. So yeah, I think we are able to find the angle already inside the pentagon. Okay, this one later. We continue the sentence first. Okay, to complete the logo, a black tie rope is needed to make the pentagon and 2 arc of a circle. Okay, to complete the logo, you have to get a rope to make the pentagon and 2 arc of a circle. So this sentence here, not sure you can understand or not. It means that to get the pentagon, the star shape right in the middle there, you have to use the rope to tie it around. This one means the total length of the pentagon, or the total length of the pentagon. Let's see where's the line first. All these five, one, two, three, 4, 5, and 2 arc of a circle. Yeah, this is where the black tie rope is needed, okay, to get the pentagon shape. Okay, all this green color one, 5 straight line and also two arc here. A, B, and C donkey. Okay, so this is all the info you have. No worry. Okay, no worry. Okay, let's start from the first one. Okay, the pi liter 3.42. Okay, first one, find the radian angle AOB. Kat sini. These two are same length, which is the radius 5. Okay, make it bigger. Okay, so yes, only satu markah. Yeah, need to know how to find this angle. And I can say that actually there's no working to show. You need to show the working on converting the degree to radian. Yeah, because only 1 mark. Okay, so to find the angle here, okay. Back to this one, the interior angle. Back to this interior angle, because after you know the interior angle for the pentagon, right, which is over here, Okay, and this blue color line that I draw here, right, it will cut it into half. Same thing for the rest. Repeat again. After you find this angle, the interior angle for pentagon, it will cut it into half. This line, cut into half. Okay, and because of it, this is 5 cm here, so 5 cm, same length, right? So you get a isosceles triangle. Isosceles. These two be the same angle, so. Okay. I got like this. So first one, find the interior angle first, then we cut into half. Okay. So your total five side here for pentagon divided by five. So interior angle 108. So here is 108. After we cut to half, 54. Yes, 54. So we can find the angle here already. Yes, because 54 also, bottom here. Yay. Let's go. So angle AOB is equals to 180 minus 54. Tick, 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 tick. 72. This one 360 divided by 5 360 divided by 5. Yang ini boleh because they are all same. Yes. Boleh. Nice. Okay, so 72. Yeah. Punch. Convert to the radian. Pi. Yeah. Eh, what happened to my pen? Okay. Hee. Yeah, the pi is the right 3.142. 72 times 3.142 over 180. 1.2568. Yeah. What happened to you? Nice. One mark. Done. Yee-hoo. Okay, next. B, how many marks? Oh, four. Okay. Okay, B. Determine a 0.6 meter black rope is sufficient to make the logo. So this one referring to the green color just now. The green color just now. This length, right, is this part here. Yeah. So you have to find all the green color here, all this green color line here. They draw five straight line and also two arc. You have to plus all this. See 0.6 meter enough or not? Is it more than 0.6 meter or less than 0.6 meter? So, wow, so many things here. Got five straight line and two arc. Let's go. Okay, I write here first. So for the straight line got five, right? But you see carefully, each of the straight line here is actually represent the. This one called as a chord. Yeah, chord. Yeah, each of the straight line we call as a chord. Not the segment. Don't find a segment area. We're running chord, the straight line, the length. Okay, and this is also not the arc length. It's a straight line, okay? So you can refer to one of its shatter. Or should I say one of the triangle? Are you? The can refer to one of the triangle. Because this is also the green color line, right? The AB. Okay, I draw here. Chop. Dang, dang, dang. O, A, B. So we're finding this line. We got five. Okay, we got five of this, huh? Later we plus with uh also the same sector. Okay, this one, yeah. We have two. Mhm. Okay, let's go. Based on the start on the AB first. This is five. This angle is up by two. Just now 72. So to find the length opposite here, AB, right? Yeah, here comes the chapter 9 formula. If you want to go for chapter 9 formula, you'll be using the cosine rule. This one. Yes, if not, you can continue using back what I call this idea, SOHCAHTOA. Also can apply the SOHCAHTOA, but you must get a right angle triangle first, which is cut into half. Yes, can go for either way. Cosine rule, cut into half. Okay, so don't know which way you prefer. I simply choose I go for half. I go for half. If anyone going for the cosine rule, right, you can refer to the formula here. A, the small a will be the length you're finding now. 72 will be the big A. Okay, opposite, right? The rest of the two length here will be the small b and small c. If you go for the cosine rule, eh, but yeah, I go for half. I go for SOHCAHTOA. Let's go. SOHCAHTOA, half. 72, half will be 72, half will be 36. So we are finding the opposite. The 5 here will be the hypotenuse. We go for sine. So, okay, so sine 36 equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So bring the 5 over and times. You can find the opposite. 2.939. Mm-hmm. So then times 2, because we cut the half, right? 2.939 times 2. We should get one straight line. 2, 2.939 times 2. 5.878. Okay, so this one done. This for one straight line. Later have to times 5. Okay, continue with the other side. The other side will be follow this formula. So the other side, this curve here, which is the arc length, we go for the arc length formula. Yang ini O again. Ini A, ini B. So this is arc length, radius, theta. Okay, we still got everything. Let's go. Sub. AB equals to radius 5. Theta, we already got the answer from A. 72 degree convert to the radian. This one, here. The green color line is B Oh, yeah, oh. Wait. Did I see a wrong line? Oh, shit. I see a wrong line already. A, B. It's not A, B, right? Oh, yeah, oh, green color. So sorry, I found a wrong line. Why I go for A, B? I go for A, B for what? Okay, but I think we need to, okay, but it's okay. We can change a bit, okay? Okay, wait. Let's continue and find the arc length first, AB. Actually, just need to change a bit only. Okay, let me check again. Yeah, need to change a bit only. Okay, go. Yeah, goody, yeah. Sure. Okay, 1.2568. 1.2568. 6.284. Okay. Okay, so let me check the answer again. Yeah. 2 cos 9.5. Different length. Or is it? Why is it different? The angle here same. 72. The answer a bit different. And then okay, wait, let me check the answer first. Oh, cannot do this shortcut. Oh no, I thought the angle different only. Ta-da! Okay, tak apa. Okay, tak apa. Let's do again. But need to change the triangle ni. This triangle we are not using. I use the wrong triangle. Achoo. Okay, we have to go for the big one. Have to go for this. Da. But it's the same way, same way. I just use the wrong triangle ni. So. Okay, this is also 5. Same. Yeah, finding this length also. This time the angle here will be times 2 lor. This angle here will be 72 times 2. Yeah, include two triangle here. 144. Okay, never mind. Just change a bit. Repeat again. So this one no need already. No need already. Okay, this one also no need. Choo, choo. Okay, let's go. So also kind of half as usual. So half will be 72 also. Opposite hypotenuse, same. Okay, let's go. Let's do it again. Okay. So sine 72 equals to opposite over hypotenuse. 5 times sine 72. 4.755. Okay, so for BE, 4.755 times 2. 9.51. Okay, siap. Yeah, just change this step only for the triangle. Now we can plus everything. 5 straight line and 2 length of arc. Okay, so 5 straight line plus 2 length of arc. 284. Ayah. Okay, step. 6.284. 60.12. Mm-hmm. But then this length, right, is what's the unit already? This one is in cm. This unit is in cm. So if you convert to the meter, okay, 0.60118 meter lor. Okay, makes sense, right? So the last one here, they're asking you, is this sufficient or not? 0.6. No. Yes. It's a little bit longer. 0.60118. The starting part, I find the wrong line. Okay, 4 marks for this. Okay. Hmm. Last one is 2 marks. Oh. The last one, C should be okay. The C quite straightforward. Right? The logo is green color. Oh no, you see, we are finding the line, the rope that used to tie, used to join all the pentagon here. Okay? The question says here already. The rope is needed to make the pentagon and two out of a circle. So how do they complete the logo is like they start from here, start from anywhere, okay? Start from here, let's say. Then the rope all the way until here, go down, form a star shape here. And then continue with the arc. Something like this. They use a rope to tie all the corner. But they're not finding the area, they're only finding the rope only to tie the corner. Hehehe. Perimeter, no, bukan perimeter. Because they're not finding the perimeter of the logo. They're finding the rope that is to tie all the corner. Yeah, a bit different, a bit different. Not the perimeter. Okay, one more, last one, C. Segment A, B, and C donkey, which is the yellow color one, it will be painted with yellow paint. Calculate the area to be painted. Okay, this one quite straightforward. These two yellow are the segment. We go for the segment formula only. Easy. So this time follow back just now the wrong triangle that I draw, okay? Now we follow the wrong triangle that I draw. Yeah. Now we follow the wrong triangle. Yes. Chop. OAB. Angle here just now is 72. Radius 5. Okay, so follow the segment formula. Ini. But you have to times 2, okay? Because of two yellow color. 1/2 r square theta in radian minus sine theta in degree and then times 2. 2 marks, okay, not bad. Quick. 1/2 times phi square and followed by the 1.2568 minus sine 72 times 2. 7.644. Is it correct? Is it correct? Okay, can. Yes. Nice. 14, done. Hehehe. Okay, can. Hopefully I'm still alive. We got one more to go. 15. Satu lagi. Okay, can. So 14 done. Let's go to last one. 15. 15. 15. So total 6 marks. Okay, let's go. Okay, 15 here. E- The graph shows the water theme park plan. Okay, this is the plan here. A company is interested in buying and renovating the water theme park area. Okay, so now the company intends to build two pools, a pool for adults, a pool for children. So you can see the picture here. Children and adult. Children here looks like the trapezium. Looks like trapezium. The adults, don't know what to call this. Okay, never mind. Okay, bottom here. Given point B and H are the midpoint. BH are the midpoint of AC and BF. So B and H over here. AC, BF. Okay, I put two different symbols because we don't know is it same length or different. Okay, this one can continue. AC donkey is a sector of a circle center at A. AC donkey is a sector, center A. AC donkey, okay, over here. So you have a circle here actually. Okay, I got like this. Okay, and then the last one is ABFG is a rectangle. AGAC is 2R. ABFG is a rectangle. So this one also same length. Okay, the opposite. And then AGAC is 2R. AGAC. AG is 2R. AC is 2R. So here is RR. So which means here also R actually. Okay, because it's a rectangle. So this is all for info. No more already. Dot. Okay, so we can start from A now. Find the angle BAH in terms of pi radian. Eh. So we need to keep the pi, okay? BAH, mana you are? BA. Okay, here. BAH. So to find the angle here, right? We have the sector, yes. CA donkey, the pizza. But I think no other length here given to you except for the radius. Yes. So we're not going to refer to this sector. We refer to another shape that's inside the sector. This triangle. And because of this is a rectangle shape, right? Here is 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle. And some more, these two R and R are same length. So which means the triangle, these two will be same angle. The length same, 45. Okay, lor. Just convert to the radian, settle. 45 times pi over 180. But then yes, keep the pi. 45 divide 180. Okay, good. This one only, this one maybe only 1 mark. Settle. Need to show 45 degree. Actually, don't need. You can straight away write the working only. I mean, this one. Can just write the 45 plus pi over 180 only. Yeah. Da-da-dan. Okay, followed by B though. Okay, by the way, B, right? B, right? I, my, okay, never mind. We go through the sentence first. Later, I tell you why. Okay, let's see the B first. Area of the adult pool is to be increased. Okay, so that area is twice the size of the children pool. Without changing the length of AC. Okay, so I think you should be able to understand this part here, which is they increase this size of the adult pool. Okay, and then when it increase, right, the size is twice of the children pool. But here's a part here, without changing the length of AC. So this part, I don't know how you think about this sentence here, because for me, right, I got to answer different compared to the bottom. Okay, I share to you my thinking first. Okay, it says that cannot change the length of AC ma. So for me, I would think that the radius same because AC are the radius. AC and A donkey are the radius of the sector. So again, without changing the length of AC, so for me, I would think radius keep it same. So for this case, right, if you keep the radius same length to increase the size of the pool, you only can increase internally, which means inside the triangle. You keep this part and you increase the size of the pool by extending it to the triangle part. This is my thinking, okay? So I'm not sure about you guys. Maybe you can digest a bit, see do you have different thought or not. No. Okay, I repeat again. I repeat again. For my way of thinking, right? Okay, I repeat again. It says I cannot change the length of AC. So for me, I would think that your radius must keep it the same. Radius must keep the same length. For me, okay? For me, I think this way. Radius keep the same length. So if radius keep the same length, these two, you cannot extend the length, right? So the circle remain the same shape of the circle. So to increase the size of the pool, right, you only can increase internally, as in here. From here, from here, you increase into the triangle. Okay, this is my thinking. How about you guys? Do you have different thought? Because I got the answer different compared to the bottom. Without changing the length of AC. Maybe you can digest a bit. Can change the radian. The question never say also. Maybe, yeah, maybe radian can change. But if you change a radian, right, then it will include the children pool already, which means you're going to mix the children pool and adult pool. Yeah, because the children pool, the question never say can change. So I assuming the children pool also keep the same. The size of the children pool keep the same. Okay, for me, okay. So and then I only extend it towards the triangle. Extend to the other side as in like how? Extend to that side. Oh, I mean here? Extend to here? If you extend, I mean, let's say you extend to here, right? Extend to here. I already tried the answer. Also different. Ding 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 ding. So yeah, so I'm not sure about this question. Is it lack of info or I misunderstand it? Maybe. Okay, so no other thinking. Then I follow my way. If no other thinking, then I just follow my way. Go for what? You can try, can try, you can try. You can try. Maybe to give you the correct answer. Okay, so if no other thinking, then I go for my way first. Okay, so we're gonna extend towards the triangle inside. Okay, so I draw again here. Okay, towards the inside, right? So starting 30, you extend. Okay, so we're going to extend here, right? Correct. So you know that this triangle is what do you call it? Yeah, isosceles, same length, correct? If we extend it over here, extend it inside E. Follow back the chapter 2 that we have learned last time, okay? Which is these two you can see is the same length, which means the base and height are in the same ratio, in the same ratio. Okay, so if we extend it over here, these two length, base and height, will be also the same ratio, same length also. These two also same length. So I make it x, okay? I make it x, meaning, okay. So continue. Now, to find the parameter of the new adult pool, I mean this part here, first thing you have to find the x first. They want the answer in terms of r, right? We extend it. We name the length is x over here. Okay, so need to find the x first. Yeah, by using the info on top. Now, the area of the adult pool is twice the size of the children pool. Okay, okay. Let's go, let's go. Children pool is a trapezium shape. Okay, let's go. Children pool is a trapezium shape here. Okay, so this length is R, 2R, 1R. Okay, so now the area for this will be, I write the formula first. Okay, good. Okay, so A and B, 2R and R, the height will be the H. Okay, so you can find the area of the children pool. 2R plus R is 3R. 3R square. 3R square over 2. So this is for area of the children pool. And now adult pool increase so that it will become twice. Okay, the size of the children pool. So here will be twice. This part here will be 3R square over 2 times 2. Okay, 3R square. Okay, so by using the 3R square now we can find the x already. Okay. So originally, right, your size of the adult pool is the shaded part on top here. Okay, okay. So now increase to become this shape here, right? Okay, let's use this shape here, okay, to find the x. After you find the x, then only we go for the parameter. Okay, let's go. So this time the area, need to go for big minus small again. The big one, the whole sector minus a small little triangle there. This center A, angle here 45-degree, radius is 2R, and this triangle is base and height same, x. Let's go. So sector 1 over 2 r squared theta. Wait, I forgot a pi just now, sorry. This one I forgot a pi. Right, okay. Minus the triangle 1 over 2 base times height equals to 3r squared. So you can find the x already. After you find the x, we can continue and find the parameter. Okay, let's expand. 4r squared 1 over 4 pi 1 over 2x squared. So 2, 4 and 4 can cut. So left 1 over 2 pi r squared. Okay lah, we can now find the x ready, bring everything over. So. Okay, so I bring the 2 over and times. Okay. Okay, this one wait for you first. We get the x ready. Woohoo. Dun, 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 dun. Bee boo, bee boo. The answer written 16R. How to get a 16R actually? Which means 16R not using the circle already. That's so weird. Beat boot, beat boot. Almost there, almost there. Okay, we can now find the parameter already. So back to the picture just now. Yeah. This whole line are the 2R, right? So which means this part here will be 2R minus X. Okay. And then this is X, no issue. And this is will be square root 2x squared. Let me make it bigger first. Here will be 2x squared. Square root. Pythagoras theorem, yes. Pythagoras. I write the working here. X squared plus x squared square root to get this. Huh. So now this part here will be 2r minus square root 2x squared. Okay. So last one, this part here will be going for the arc length formula. Okay, so let's write the working now. Okay, perimeter 2r minus square root 2x squared plus x plus 2r minus x, and also the arc length radius times theta. Okay, so you get what else left? Plus x minus x gone. 2r and 2r can plus. Okay, so you get all these things here left. 2, 4 cut 1 over 2. Hmm. Hee. So then continue the last one. Sub in x inside here. You should get answer in terms of R already. But again, this answer yeah, is like wrong, okay? But just because of the sentence. Maybe I misunderstand the sentence. Don't know. Because I got a different answer here. So 4r minus square root 2x squared. Maybe you can skip the working here because of x squared, right? Actually, you can sub in this part also. This one exactly x squared, right? No need to put the square root. Yeah, if you're okay, you can straight away skip that. Two by r squared 12. Okay, so then what else do we have? If you want, actually can simplify again. 4r Still got the square root here. But the r is outside after the square root. Yay. Yeah, I think we can just stop here only. But if you press the whole thing with the pi can also, 4r minus square root 2 pi minus 12 followed by plus 1 over 2 pi. So get the answer like 5.571r. Yeah, but up to you. I just press for you to see only. You can just stop there. So this is the answer that I get. But I repeat again, maybe I misunderstand the sentence. Yeah, that's why my answer here a bit different. Boleh. Without changing the length of AC. Hmm. So okay, this one. So chapter 1, yes, that is the question that we discussed for today. 5 questions. Huh? Why you skip the exam? Do only lah. No blank. Don't blank the answer. No, just some grammar things only. Maybe my grammar not too good. Yeah, maybe my grammar not too good. That's why. Okay, can. So is there any question first for the chapter 1? We still got about 10 minutes left. We can go for 1. Chapter 2. No. It's already cracked to half, right? Crap. Okay, so no issue. Let's go. Chapter 2. Just a one short question. Because that part actually we have no time to discuss in the class, in the normal class. So we discuss here. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Chapter 2. We go for one only. Number 2. Page 16 now. If you have the notes. Okay, this one we don't need already. Okay, just one more last. Number 2. Settle, then we can go for lunch. Let's go. Okay, number 2. This one will be 3 marks plus 6 marks will be 9 marks. Most probably in the paper 2 also. Okay, let's see. Again, this is the differentiation chapter, okay? Chapter 2. Given the equation of the curve is this one, find the stationary point of the curve. Stationary point, just to recall back for you, max mean point. Which means to find a point, right, you have to go for dy dx, your differentiation. Yes, correct, equal to 0. Long time no see. Yeah. So make it fast, differentiation equal to 0. The power of the x, right, times it to the front, minus 1. Okay, let's go. X 4, 4x3 plus 1. Okay, so differentiation, the power times it to the front, minus 1. The last one plus 1, no x, right? It becomes 0. 4x3, 12x squared. Okay, good. And then followed by dy dx equal to 0. Okay, we can find x already. So yeah, can press the calculator now. Let's go. 3 marks, okay lah. 4x, 12x. I think you guys going to get about 3 and 0. Okay, you get 3 and 0. Should be okay. Then continue on. We are finding the point. We're finding the point, okay? So you have to sub in back to your equation to find the y. I want to factorize the x. Can, same. The answer same. You factorize the x out, you also get the same answer, 0 and 3. I just press the correct only. So sub in 0. So your answer, you will get satu. First stationary point, satu. Second one, 3 to the power of 4 minus 4 times 3 cubed plus 1. So you get 2 stationary point. Okay, easy. 3 marks, done. This is not the part I need to discuss. The part I need to discuss is actually the B. Hee hee, 6 marks oh. You see how marks there? Wow. But this is 3 marks ah, 3 marks ah. Okay, B. Hence, determine the nature of each stationary point by using, yeah, this is the part here, by using the tangent sketching method. I think when you go for this chapter in your school, right, I think you should know this method here. Okay, maybe, okay, maybe. So now I'll show you, okay, the detail of this tangent sketching method. Okay, first thing, they're asking you to determine the nature of the point, right? Nature means the type of the point. But to be honest, the type of the point, right, actually not only maximum, minimum. You have one more point actually. Right here, the nature of the point, right, actually got 3 in total. Satu is maximum, no issue. Second is minimum, no issue. Last one, right, is a special one. I think you never see before this one. Inflection. Yeah, this third one a bit special, called as inflection point. Is it? Why is it what three answers for X? Oh no, because you got 2 repeat answer. This one got 2 repeat answer. You got 2 answer is 0. Yeah, this one just 2 answers only. Wait, not inflection, it's inflection. Inflect. Flag FLEC. Inflection. What is that? Okay, so get me your ruler and a pencil. Draw this table first. Yes, it's a table. It's a table. This is for B. Okay, you can draw a table first. Yeah, I can see the screen here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to make it 5 row, 4 columns. Can draw first. Tangent sketching method. Do, 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 do. Be do. Oh, yeah, by the way, you have to draw 2. I forgot you have to draw 2 because you got 2 point, right? So sorry, you need to draw 2. Okay, never mind. I wait for you first. Go, go. You draw 2. Kachakra. Huh? I got copy and paste. No, no, no. I copy again, but copy very fast until you cannot see. That's why, yeah, it seems like copy and paste. Technology, go, go. Beep, 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 beep. Bum, 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 bum. I think already done the first table, right? I discussed the first table. Later, give you time to copy the second one. Okay. Okay, now, right, continue here. Because we have two different points, correct? 0, 1, and 3, -26, correct? So these 2 points, you have to find the type. You can find a type, okay, by using the tangent sketching method here. So start from this point first. 0, 1. So this x is 0, right? Correct? X is 0. So now, this first column you can just ignore. Nothing to fit inside here. Just ignore it. And then the rest of the 3 row here, you have to put a number that is smaller than and bigger than 0. Yeah, repeat it again. Okay, so this x is 0, right? This x is 0. So you have to put a 0 inside the table in the middle here. The other two here, correct? You have to fill in a number lesser than 0, bigger than 0. Any number. Okay, but of course, don't make it too far away, okay? Don't make it too far away. So I make it x equals to -1. This one x equals to 1. Okay, can, right? So this one here should be okay for you, which means the next one, the 3, right? The 3 for the next table, similar. You have to put 3, of course. The other two, you have to put less than 3, more than 3. Okay, so let's continue here. Now the rest of this column, what do we need to fill inside? Very simple. First one, value of dy dx, which means now you have to sub in these 3 number into the x of dy dx to see what's the value. What is the value? So yeah, straight away can key into your character. No need to write the working. Straight away can key in. So the -1 is sub in 4 times -1 cube minus 12 times -1 square. You get -16. Second one is sub 0, you get 0. Last one, you sub in 1, you will get -8. Okay, just only very simple. Next, the sign for dy dx, the sign as in the positive negative sign. There's a meaning for the sign here. Positive, negative. So you can see again, just so what is your answer? -16, right? Ah, this one is 0, correct? -8, right? Yeah, put the sign on it. Just put the sign. Good job. The third one will be the sketch of the tangent. So the sketch here is referring to the gradient of the tangent. The gradient. Yeah, as you remember, gradient, if positive, the line going up. If negative, going down. Yeah, you have to draw this line only. Okay, so from here, negative is going down. Draw one line, like this. Looks like a slash. Second one, 0 is not going up, not going down, it's going straight. Okay, going straight. Horizontal. Last one. Boleh, boleh, boleh. So far this three should be okay for you. Okay, hey, hey. Last one, sketch of the graph. Wait, I put extra, sorry. This one, there's no, sorry, there's no low line here. So last one is a sketch of the graph is combine all these 3 lines that draws now, you will get a slide. Yes, you get a slide. Ta-da! Settle. That's a table. Okay, so repeat again. These four things, value of dy dx, the sine, the tangent line, and the graph. All these four. After you draw already, right? Very simple one. These three type, which one? Very simple. Maximum, you know, is a sad face, right? Sad face. Minimum is a smiley face. Ui, ini bukan smiley face, ini bukan sad face. It must be the one more last one. Inflection. So 0, 1 is a inflection point. Yeah. So you can understand that max and mean is smiley face, sad face, but inflection here, it looks like a slide. Yes. Okay. So of course, the BM one is called as titik lengkung balas. I put inside chat, you can see. BM here is titik lengkung balas. Lengkung balas. Yeah, this is BM. In exam, they'll ask you to draw table. They'll emphasize use tangent sketching method. They'll emphasize, don't worry, they emphasize. If they never say that, you can go for which way? You can go for the d square y dx square. Remember, there's one more, right? The differentiation one more time, you get a d square y dx square. That method is when the question never say which method to use. Okay, so don't worry, the tangent sketching method, question will tell you. Okay, don't worry, okay, this one should be okay. Just have to memorize, you have to find these four things. Hey, okay, so the last one, the 3, I can let you try. The x equals to 3, the second point should be okay for you also. Not too hard. Okay, so is it okay with the tangent pula? Tangent sketching method? Should be okay, should be okay. I think all you should know, right? Your school teacher should should discuss in the class actually. Not sure, okay, this one not sure. Okay, so I think you're already hungry, right? Okay, okay, if what d square y dx square, no need to draw table. If question never say which method to use, you go for d square dx square. No need to draw any table. After you find the d square dx square, can write the answer already. Okay. Is there any more question? School exercise always ask to draw? No. This one you have to draw the table only when question requests. If question never state to draw the table, no need. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Next one, the x equals to 3. Yeah, you can go for 2, 3, 4 can. Can go for x equals to 2, x equals to 3, x equals to 4 can. Okay, any more? Wow. Yeah, first day of seminar. Hopefully you enjoy the seminar. No. Later you got another 2 more hours, right? Later. Later got one more, right? One more subject. Yes, what is the question? The other one, let me check answer first. Yeah, the other one is a smiley face, yes. The other one is a smiley face. Do Form 4 syllabus, if you want now, okay, if you want now, just say if you want, because this seminar is free, right? Correct? If you want, you can join a Form 4 seminar also. If you want. Yeah. Actually can. No issue one. Just hope that the seminar can help you guys to revise back the chapter. Okay. So no more. Then we stop here today. So thanks for coming for the seminar. Hopefully, yeah, today the chapter one after this seminar, you should be okay a bit to answer in your exam. But chapter two, this one also can. This one actually you can see quite a lot of marks. One table worth about 3 marks. If you can draw it. Mm. Okay. So that's all. Okay. Thanks for coming. Then yeah, I will see you when I see you next time. Okay then. See you guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you. Can go enjoy lunch now. Bye bye. See you.